Illegally detained senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Nayeem Ahmed Khan, in a message from New Delhi's infamous Tihar Jail, strongly denounced the attaching of APHC head office and eviction of people from their land in the name of so-called anti-encroachment drive by the occupation authorities. He said that such actions were a part of the Modi regime's nefarious designs to intimidate the Kashmiris into submission. Protest demonstrations continued against the occupation authorities' so-called anti-encroachment drive, which actually is aimed at evicting Kashmiris from their lands and properties. A large number of people held a protest demonstration in Kunjwari Bhatindi area on the outskirts of Jammu city. Members of Jammu Kashmir Kisan Tehreek, led by a senior leader of Communist Party of India Marxist, Muhammad Yusuf Tarigami, staged a similar protest in Kachua. Posters appeared in different areas of the occupied territory thanking Pakistan for observing the Kashmir Solidarity Day on 5th February every year. The posters with the pictures of Hurriyat leaders including Musarrat Alam Butt, Shabir Ahmad Shah, Mirwais Umar Farooq, Muhammad Yasin Malik, Asiya Andrabi, Dr. Hamid Fayaz and Mushtaqul Islam were displayed by various pro-freedom organizations in Srinagar, Baramulla, Pulwama and other areas of the territory. On the other hand, Indian police arrested today 6 innocent Kashmiris, including 2 minors in Mirhama area of the Kulgam district. The police also arrested a Muslim government school teacher in Narwal area of the Jammu district. The sleuths of New Delhi controlled State Investigation Agency, with the assistance of the police and paramilitary personnel, carried out raids in Barzulla, Jawaharnagar, Nattipura and other areas of Srinagar today, subjecting the residents to severe harassment and intimidation. Report released by Kashmir Media Service today said that over 900 Kashmiri children have been martyred by Indian troops during the last 33 years and hundreds have lost their eyesight due to the firing of pellets by Indian troops. Thousands of children have lost their parents since 1990. The report said scores of Kashmiri children have passed their childhood in Indian detention cells for the past over 3 decades, and about 1,07,896 children were orphaned from January 1989 to 31st January 2023. Economy of occupied Kashmir has lost over $9 billion since the Indian Hindu nationalist government revoked its special status on 5th August 2019, causing a devastating impact on the livelihood of the local population. Kashmir Institute of International Relations in a report said the primary sectors including agriculture, horticulture, tourism and the handicraft industry have been adversely affected, and many traders have shifted their trading centers to outside occupied Kashmir.